When I opened my first studio in the basement of my house, I never would have dreamed that one day I'll have 2 locations in the DMV area. We opened the DC location in 2016, and of course people started asking me, when are you opening your second location? And I remember just laughing at them and saying, there won't be a second location. Less than 3 years into opening the DC location, I kind of started entertaining the thought, just seeing how much the Salsa with Silvia community has grown and seeing the support of all of our students and just being able to see our students everywhere I went and see their progress. Finding the location for the second studio was a challenge on its own, and I could have never thought that we would be opening right in the heart of Bethesda. It took months in a row between negotiations, finding contractors, dealing with contractors, losing hope, permits, inspections. It just seemed like a never-ending story. And here we are. It is completely done. Our new Bethesda location is opening January 6, 2020.